Hey loves, and welcome back to another video here at Life with Chekesha. It is your girl, and in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing and sharing some amazing pieces that I received from Ana Luisa. So if you want to see today's video, keep watching. So before we get into today's video, the video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, and I'm super excited that they were interested in sending me some pieces to share with you guys. But before I get into all of that, I do want to welcome back all of my subscribers. Thank you for coming and tuning into today's video. I am so excited about sharing this content with you. And if you are new to the channel, do me a big favor and drop a purple heart in the comments box. That way I know that you are new. And as well, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. All right, so I'm super excited about today's video because I have been stalking their page for a while, looking at some of the different pieces, determining what I wanted to get. And when they reached out to me and said that they would be interested in me trying out a few pieces and sharing it with you guys, I was like, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and do my unboxing. It will be a voiceover video, and I'll explain all the pieces that I got and some amazing information about this company. Like, not only are they giving you the beautiful jewels, they're also very conscious about our environment. And that's a win for me because, listen, if I can look good and help save the environment, your girl is in. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. All right, so this is the packaging that your items will come in, and it does normally have your mailing label on the front, but I took that off for security purposes. I don't need everyone to know where I live. So your items will come in these canvas style pouches, which are super cute, and you can repurpose them. And I promise you, I will be repurposing this baby right here. This is gorgeous, and it has a double pocket inside. So another thing that I like is that they don't load you up with a bunch of mailers. All of their information about their products are in the box. So you can find their website and all about their carbon products. So the first item I'm going to show you is this rope ring, y'all. This is their gold twisted rope slim ring. I do have a small finger. This is a size 4 and it fits my pinky perfectly, but they go up to a size 12, so there are sizes for everyone. The next piece that I'm going to show you here would be the earrings, in which I love because sometimes I don't want to wear big chunky hoops, and these Scarlett medium double, they're the double hoops, are perfect, and the backings on these are gorgeous as well, and I'll show you a little more in depth when I'm trying on the actual pieces. Now the next one is the piece de resistance, and it is this bracelet that's in this gorgeous pouch. I was so excited about this bracelet. One, because sometimes if you don't want to wear a watch, this would be nice as a watch replacement because it is a link bracelet. This is called the watch strap bracelet / aura, and this is perfect. The clasp, I was able to put this on by myself with no help, and sometimes, you know, girls, you don't have people to help you put those jewels on, so that was perfect. So also it comes with extra links, which is perfect. So if the bracelet is too small for you, you can add these extra links to your bracelet. All right, let's get into these Scarlett medium double hoop earrings. They are 14 karat gold plated, and they come with these titanium posts, and I love these because my holes that I've had over the years have kind of gotten a little stretched out, and so they're wide enough so they won't slip through, and I think these are perfect. These are lightweight. I think they weigh about 2 grams, so they're not going to be super heavy on your ears, and the craftsmanship of these earrings are amazing. Next one, and I think all these are my favorite, but this is the Rope Slim, the gold twisted ring. And this ring, again, it is 14 karat gold plated, and it is very light, and it is a nice layering piece if you like to layer your rings. And the piece de la resistance is this Aurea watch strap bracelet. It is amazing, and again, this is plated in 14 karat gold, but it is a nice staple piece, especially if you don't like to wear watches. This item is amazing. And again, all of their products are super affordable and perfect for any occasion. All right, love, so I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed recording it. These pieces by Ana Luisa are absolutely gorgeous. Not only are they beautiful and affordable, it's just something about them that just screams femininity, that screams classy without doing too much, but still doing too much, okay? So if you like the pieces that I have shown you, go ahead and click that link in the description box so you can see the plethora of jewels that they have on their website. And they are running some amazing specials just in time for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whether you celebrate both or just one. Treat yourself. Show them to your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriends, and be like, look at these pieces. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me slide this link in your DM, okay? So make sure you check them out, not just because I said so, but because I love these pieces. Like I said, I cannot stop looking at these. If I could work in, like, I don't like to work in a lot of jewelry because I do hair, but if I could work in these, I would be wearing these every day at the salon, okay? All right, so before I go, like I said, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Make sure you go check them out. Follow them on social media. And as well, if you have enjoyed this video and the content that I have given you today, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up, and as well click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So while I show off my fancy jewels, I just want to say I love you guys and thank you for tuning in today. So until next time, loves, peace.